Welcome back to At Home with Anita Rosner. If you watch my channel, you know I love salmon and I eat it all the time, but even I can get a little bored with it. So today I am making a salmon recipe that packs a real punch. It's salmon fillets with a horseradish crust. So good. So let's get started. To begin, I have 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, softened, and I'm just going to stir in, I think, about a tablespoon of breadcrumbs. I just want to make a paste, if you can see that. And then to that, I'm going to add what I have in this bowl, which is a tablespoon of Dijon mustard and half a teaspoon of horseradish. You can add more horseradish if you wanted to have more of a kick. And then I'm just going to add a little orange zest, probably a teaspoon. So we just stir this all together. My oven is preheating at 450. I have a nonstick coating spray on this baking dish. We're going to put the salmon in. We're going to bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. After about 8 minutes, we're going to just layer on this mixture and it'll bake right on top. So let's put this in the oven. The salmon's been cooking for 8 minutes. It's already very opaque and it's almost done. So now I'm going to add the paste. Just smooth it on. All right. So let's put this back in the oven for 5 more minutes. So here we are, fresh out of the oven. If you want this to be or look a little more crispy, you can put it under the broiler when you're done as a very last step for about a minute. That's all it needs. I can smell it. This packs a punch and it really gives salmon a little something to be excited about. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.